Pistachios are a beloved nut, known for their unique flavor and health benefits. These trees thrive in hot, arid climates, needing temperatures between 100 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. They require a minimum of 300 chill hours in winter for successful fruit production. Pistachios prefer well-drained sandy loam with a pH of 7.0 to 8.0. Farmers must select both male and female trees for successful nut production. Trees should be spaced at least 20 feet apart for airflow and sunlight. The best planting time is late winter or early spring. Young trees need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Pollination relies on having male trees nearby during the flowering period. Harvesting typically occurs in late summer to early fall when nuts begin to split. Commercial growers use mechanical machines, while smaller farms may opt for hand harvesting. Proper processing involves cleaning, drying, and sorting the nuts carefully. Storage in airtight containers in a cool, dark place preserves freshness. Pistachios face challenges such as pests and diseases, requiring regular monitoring. By mastering these techniques, farmers can yield harvests year after year.